Okay, let's migrate this solution to Xcode. So this is our formula to calculate this distance y based on x and another constant h. So let's get started. Xcode, create a new one. Next, calculate answer point. Okay, next. Great. Let's move it to here. Yeah, like always, we need to create a view file. Canvas view. And we'll add this view file to main storyboard. Change it to a template, iPad template. Grab a view UI view object here, drag and drop. Yeah, make it make it big enough. That, change its background color to something not white. This one will be, yeah, let's make it a little bit bigger. Okay, so don't forget to set the class to our canvas class. Now it's ready. Let's go back to the file, and now we can focus on the code, and we don't need that and that. Uncomment on this one and put our drawing code here. I think we can, okay, so let problem line equals UI Bezier path problem line dot move to point 100, and let's use y 600, and problem line at line 2 and 600 again, 600. Let's see, stroke. Let's select our iPad Pro simulator. Yeah, pretty good. So now we can put our, maybe we can make it a little bit lower. Yeah, 700 maybe this time, just for fun. 700, 700, and 600 here, maybe 350. Okay, so we'll put our problem point here. Let's make it thicker. So problem line dot line width equal to 3. Let's see. Yeah, So we'll put our problem point here. So UI Bezier pass. The second one, the arc center here will be a solid black dot. So let's use 350 here. Use hard-coded one this time. And 700 minus 100 is 600. Radius of 4. This one 0. And 2 pi dot pi times 2. Okay, clockwise true dot fill. Let's see. Okay, now let's calculate one of our answer point. Okay, so this one here, let's write down this one. So our formula is y equals x squared x x times x minus h times h divided divided by 2 times h. Okay, so now x, y, h. Okay, so in our case h is 100, and so let h data type is CG float, so 100, because is this the delta of this 700 and that one, so 100. Let's define the x, right? Let's put any x. CG float. Yeah. Let's start from here. 100. Okay, so to meet this diagram, let's use 150. 150. So we can calculate the y, right? So y CG float equals, we can just copy this one. Okay, now we don't need this. So we'll use dot, right? Let's change the color to red. So UI color dot red dot set fill, and let's draw a solid DE, a solid. Oh, so we need, yeah, we know the x, we have x and y, but we still need to know the real coordinates of this one. So answer point x and answer point y. Okay, so let's do one more. Answer point x. Okay, CG float equals, the x is this x plus the x of this point, right? Problem point, which is 350. So 350 plus x. Okay, that answer y CG float equals the y of the black line, right? Minus h minus y. minus h minus y is the y of this point, answer point. So this one, 700 minus h minus y. Now here is our answer x, answer point y, radius. What's the radius? Oh, sorry, this is our dot, so just put the 4 here and go 0 dot pi 2 pi times 2, and this doesn't matter, true or false, dot fill. Let's see our first answer point in red. Okay, cool. It looks like it's fine, right? The distance between that 2 points and the distance between the red dot and the line, same. Yes. Now how can we automate this procedure so we don't need to draw one by one manually? So x we can increase, right? So let's put a for loop here. Let's try to draw, say, 10 of them, 7 of them, 0 dot dot 7. Now we can cut those things to here. Let's clean up the code to be elegant. Oh, yeah. So we'll try to add CG float I times that's increased by 10 every time. Oh, times. So now we'll have, right, 7 different i's. The first one is here, next one is here, right, plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. So we'll generate the corresponding y and then answer x, answer y. Okay, let's give a try. Cool. Now we don't have to start from this one, right? Let's try from 10. Nice. Now we can add more points, right? 7. What about the 17? What about 37? Oh, 27. Don't be too aggressive. Yeah, very good. 37. But what about the other half? Okay, nice. What about the other half? Oh, yeah, we can draw the symmetric part of that. So what is the x? Answer. So this one will be $350 minus x. Okay, so now we better to use this one in place of, so we don't need, yeah, I think we don't need answer x now, do we? Yeah, let's give it a try. Ta-la! What about put a 0 here? What about, oh my god, Gorgeous. Yeah, this might be the lowest point. Okay, let's clean up this one. Can we have a better solution? Let's try to comment out this one and start from -37, right? Yeah, this is a better solution. Okay, cool. Let's clean up this one. Run again. Yes, I like it.